In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the scratchiness of the control knobs on your CB radio. In this particular example, I'm using a Cobra 29 with excessive scratchiness on every knob, and every switch in it doesn't work very well either. This particular method will work on many different types of radios that have a control knob with a potentiometer. Just accessing the back of the potentiometer will be different than what I'm showing in the video. Stick around to the end of the video because this particular radio has a frozen S meter. I'll also show how to free that up as well. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix things around the house. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to my channel, consider clicking that subscribe button below, and please like this video if it was helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Now what we have here is a Cobra 29 that spent most of its life in a dump truck. Nothing wrong with dump trucks, but they do tend to get pretty dirty, especially when the windows are down. And as a result of that, we have this. Every knob in it is very scratchy and very dirty. It's even so bad that it won't transmit half the time because it thinks that the CB PA knob is in PA when it's in CB. So this needs a really good cleaning. Now this particular procedure is not just for Cobra 29s. You can clean any radio that's got this type of potentiometer control on it. You just have to be able to get to the control, the back of the control, and that part is going to be different. But what we're demonstrating here is a Cobra 29, and once you have access to your controls, the cleaning procedure is the same. Okay, so to clean these knobs, it's pretty easy. All you really need to do is take the straw that comes with the cleaner, and most of these knobs have a hole like this so that you can get the spray cleaner in there. And I could do that right here without removing the front panel or the front faceplate, but some of the switches down below here are pretty difficult to get into, and this radio also has a stuck S meter, so I wanted to take the S meter out and try to see if I can free it up. Sort of carefully pull these off of here. They come right off. Alright, now on this radio you're not going to be able to have total access to the front panel here. This silver plate doesn't come off real easy, but you can get a lot of access to there. Take the two screws out of each side. There's two here and there's two others on the other side. And also up under here you can get quite a bit more room than you've got. There are some screws. There's one here. And there's one here, and these are number 1 Phillips. They're a little bit smaller, and there's also one kind of in the middle right here. So if you take out those 3 screws, well, 7 with the 4 on the sides, you can get a lot more access than you had before. All right, so as you can see, when we we can move this quite a bit more. Now we can get to our controls a lot better than we could before. Alright, so you can't see the front of this knob, but all I'm going to do is kind of turn it as I'm spraying in there. So find your access hole. There's another one on the side here. And just kind of spray and turn at the same time is all you really got to do. This is the 2 knob, where it's got the squelch on the inner and the RF gain on the outer. So you're going to have to turn both of these while you're doing this on this one. And same thing with the volume knob if it's got the dual control. And it's good to do this 2 or 3 times. Try to work all that stuff out of there. Alright, let's do the knobs real quick. Not the knobs, but the switches. Those were the knobs. Just work the control back and forth. That's the main thing. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see if that did any good. Yeah, it's a lot better. Looks like the CBPA switch is still a little flaky. It's a lot better. I'll just probably clean those knobs again. And then I'm going to remove this meter and see if I can't get that to free itself up. Alright, so as you can see here, there's no movement on that meter. That needle should jump down and then kind of come back and spring like this, you know. But it doesn't, it's just stuck. Nope, she's still stuck. Let me just spray just 1 drop in there and see if that helps it any. I think we got something now. And then just put it back together very carefully. All right, got it all back together. Let's give her a little test. Oh yeah. Much better. Notice the meter's working on the RF gain there. CBPA. Working good. See if she transmits. Ella. Works like a champ. Alright guys, well that's how you clean the knobs on a Cobra 29. And many other radios have the same type of problem. Just getting to the knobs is a different procedure. Okay, thanks for watching.